Have you ever wondered who's behind the digital wallets that power your online purchases? The ones that keep your money safe and accessible? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Paysafe, a leading global payments platform. Imagine a world without the convenience of online payments. No more quick checkouts, no more secure transactions, and no more hassle-free shopping. Paysafe is the company that makes this digital convenience possible. But who's the mastermind behind this financial tech giant? Let's find out. The CEO of Paysafe, a brief history. Before we reveal the CEO, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Paysafe was formed in 2008 through the merger of two leading online payment companies, Skrill and Nettler. From its humble beginnings, Paysafe has grown into a global powerhouse, offering a wide range of payment solutions to businesses and consumers worldwide. Introducing the CEO. Now, let's meet the man at the helm of this financial technology giant. CEO's name has been the Chief Executive Officer of Paysafe since year. With a wealth of experience in the financial services industry, CEO's name has played a pivotal role in driving Paysafe's growth and success. Background and qualifications. CEO's name comes to Paysafe with a strong background in relevant industry. Before joining Paysafe, he held senior positions at previous companies where he demonstrated his ability to achievements. His expertise in specific areas has been instrumental in shaping Paysafe's strategy and positioning it as a leader in the payments industry. Key achievements. Under CEO's name, leadership, Paysafe has achieved several significant milestones. These include Milestone 1, Milestone 2, Milestone 3. These achievements have solidified Paysafe's reputation as a trusted and innovative payments provider. Leadership style. CEO's name is known for his leadership style. He is described as a positive attribute leader who is committed to company values. His focus on specific areas has created a positive and productive work environment for Paysafe's employees. Challenges and overcoming them. Like any successful business, Paysafe has faced its share of challenges. However, CEO's name has demonstrated his ability to navigate these obstacles and emerge stronger. Some of the challenges Paysafe has overcome include Challenge 1, Challenge 2, Challenge 3. CEO's name has shown exceptional leadership in addressing these challenges and ensuring Paysafe's continued growth. Future outlook. As the CEO of Paysafe, CEO's name is responsible for charting the company's future course. His vision for Paysafe is to vision statement. To achieve this vision, Paysafe is investing in areas of investment and exploring new opportunities in emerging markets. CEO's name is a visionary leader who has played a crucial role in the success of Paysafe. His expertise, dedication, and strategic thinking have propelled Paysafe to the forefront of the payments industry. Under his leadership, Paysafe is well positioned to continue its growth and innovation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.